scorching 17 hours a year. Unbelievable happen. A year on the hell planet lasts only 17.5 hours. The rocky world, located 40 light years from Earth, is known as the hell planet, called super Earth because it is a rocky planet at times the size of Earth and twice as wide as Earth. This super Earth is so hot that it has an ocean of molten lava on its surface that reaches 1982 degrees Celsius, 3600 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit. Even the interiors of exoplanets can be full of diamonds. The planet of exoplanet can be full of diamonds. The planet is hot enough to be compared to the lava world of Mustafa from Star Wars, where the battle between Anakin Skywalker and Obi-Wan Kenobi took place in Revenge of the Sith. Officially named Janssen but also known as 55 Cancri E or 55 CNC E. The planet orbits its parent star Copernicus so closely that the smoky world completes its revolution in less than a Earth day. A year on this planet lasts about 17.5 hours on Earth. The extremely narrow track is why Janssen has such high temperature. Astronomers wonder if planets have always been this close to their star. Full news, please watch description. And this is first time in world history by an Indian reporter pouring you a worldwide news in his funny language. Please like, share, and must comment your opinion in comment box. Thanks.